Baba, what are we doing today, huh?
My neck hurts.
What from?
Pilates. I'm just
Pilates. It wouldn't be Pilates.
No.
Probably from Lucas.
Yeah, probably from your son. So I need an adjustment.
All right, drop your left shoulder.
Sorry. Ooh.
Booby.
Fuck, every time.
Let's go to the other side, okay? Will you go to toes for me?
Okay, I'm good.
Okay.
Okay, I'm good.
You good?
I'm good.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, love you.
Love you too. Bye-bye.